With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question is, a uniform beam of length L and mass m is supported as shown. Of the cable suddenly break. Cable is suddenly break. That means at point B, this is the cable when it suddenly break. That means there is no support at this end. So I can consider this end as free end. Okay. So the B is a free end. Determine. First we have to find out the acceleration of end B, and second the reaction at the pin support. Okay. So as you can see in the figure, this is a rod having mass m and length L, and at this point there are two support at point A and at point B. But at point B, this is suddenly break. That means there is no support at this end. So this is a free end. End. Free end. Free end. Now the weight of this rod is at center acting vertically downward, that is mg. When it is acting at center, that means this length from here to here, it is L by 2, and remaining length is also L by 2. Now in L by 2, this length is given as 1 by 4 of L, that is L by 4. That means length from here to here, that is L by 2 minus L by 4, that is L by 4. Okay. Now I'm going to write equation of torque. As we all know that torque is given as the torque formula of torque is basically I alpha, and torque is given by force into perpendicular distance. Okay, so I am going to write torque equation for this rod. As you can see, there is only one force which is acting on this rod, that is the weight. So I can write force, that is weight, into perpendicular distance, which is L by 4, which is L by 4, that is equals to I alpha. I is moment of inertia, and moment of inertia of this rod is calculated by using the parallel axis theorem, and that is I naught, which is ml square upon 12 plus m into d square, distance between them, so it will be ml square upon 16. This is the value of I, moment of inertia of this rod, into alpha. Okay, now I am going to multiply this equation by 4. So after multiplying by 4, the equation will be mgl, that is equals to ml square upon 3 plus ml square upon 4 alpha. Okay, now m cancel out, and L is also cancel out. So I will have G equals to 7 by 12 L alpha. So from here the value of alpha, that is the angular acceleration of this rod, that is coming out to be 12 G upon 7 L. Okay, this is the value of alpha. Now we have to calculate the acceleration at point B. So at point B, acceleration is given by alpha into L, because we know that acceleration, this is the first part, we have to calculate acceleration at point B, and we know that acceleration is equal to alpha L. So value of alpha we already calculated. So the acceleration at point B, that is equals to alpha is 12g by 7L, and length is, for point B, the length is, this length is L by 2. So the length is L by 2 plus L by 4. From this point, the length from this point to this point, that is L by 4 plus L by 4. L by 2 plus L by 4, that is 3L by 4. Okay, 3L by 4. So this is the acceleration at point B, that is equals to 9g upon 7L. This is the answer of first part. In second part, they are asking about the reaction at the pin support. So we assume that because of this pin there is a reaction, that is R. Okay, now this reaction is balanced by this mg. So I can write equation of force for this rod. I will write equation of for force. Now force in vertical direction, there are two forces which will be acting in vertical direction, that is weight, which is downward minus reaction R, and that is equals to Ma. This is the reaction of force and A is center of mass. Okay, now I can write R as R equals to M G minus A center of mass, and the value of A we already know, A equals to alpha L, and from center the length is L by 4. As you can see in the diagram, the length from this system to this point is L by 4. Okay, so that means the value of A center of mass is alpha into L by 4. So putting the value R equals to M G minus alpha L by 4, and we already calculated the value of alpha. So putting the value of alpha, I will get R equals to M G minus alpha is 12G upon 7L into L by 4. Simplifying this equation, we will finally have the value of reaction because of that pin, that is equals to M G minus 3G by 7, G minus 3, because L cancel out, 4 3 are 12, so minus 3G by 7. Simplifying this, we will have the value of this value is coming out to be 4 by 7. So R equals to Mg 4 by 7. This is the reaction because of that pin, that is equals to Mg 4 by 7. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.